Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that three boys step off together from the same spot and their step measures 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. So what is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete step? Basically, here we need to find the minimum distance they have walked such that they are together again. So whenever we have to find out the minimum distance or minimum of anything, we always have to calculate the LCM of that number. And whenever we have to find out the maximum, then we always find the HCF, as HCF represent highest common factor and LCM represent lowest common factor. So the distance walked by them are 63. Let's say boy 1 travels 63 centimeter. For B2 it's 70 centimeter, and let's say for B3 it's 77 centimeter. So we can say that the minimum distance walked such that they are together again is the LCM of 63, 70 and 77. So here we are going to find out the LCM of 63, 70 and 77. So LCM is the least common factor. So we are starting with the minimum number which can divide any or all of the number. So we are starting with 2. 2 cannot divide 63. So 63 remains as it is. 2 can divide 70. So 70, when we divide 70 with 2, we get the value as 2 multiplied by the 3 is 6. 1 is here, taking 0 from here. So this is 10. 2 multiplied by the 5 is 10. So when we divide 70 with 2, we get the value as 35. And 2 cannot divide 77 as well. Now we are taking 3. When we divide 63 with 3, we get the value as 3 multiplied by the 2 is 6. Taking 3 from here, 3 multiplied by the 1 is 3. So this from here become equals to 21. 3 cannot divide 35 and 3 cannot even divide 77. Now again we are going to divide this with 3. We know that 3 multiplied by the 7 is 21. This from here become equals to 35 and 77 as well. Now here we are having the value of 37, 35 and 77. Now we can say that 3 cannot divide them, 2 cannot divide them, 4 cannot divide them. Now 5 can divide 35. So 7 will remain as it is. 5 7s are 35 is 7 multiplied by the 77. Now it is clearly visible that all the three numbers are divisible by 7. So we are taking 7 here. So this from here is 1, this from here 1, and 7 multiplied by 11 is 77. Now we are going to divide this with 11. So this from here is 1, 1 and 1. So from here we can say that the LCM of this number is the multiple of all this factor, that is equals to 2 multiplied by the 3 multiplied by the 3 multiplied by the 5 multiplied by the 7 multiplied by the 11. So when we divide all these numbers, we get the value of LCM as 6930. So from here we can say that the minimum distance walked by them is 6930 centimeter. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, use the basic concept of numbers and LCM, HCF. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.